Here is a little meal prep we did. Virginia is cooking all the peppers, lime chicken, white rice. You try this, let us know what you think. We love peppers, chicken, and rice. This is our first meal prep, so we're not sure how many days it'll do. So we'll check it out. It was 5 pieces of chicken, so I'm pretty sure it's 5 lunches. We're trying to do the math on the carbs and the percentages and the protein and making the calories right. Like I need to be at 2,500 calories. Virginia needs to be at about 1,200 calories just to maintain her weight. So once we split it up into her calorie needs and my calorie / protein needs, then we'll have between 3 and 5 meals. So we'll see. Total 10. Oh wait. Yeah, we'll see. What does cilantro do?
It makes the chicken flavored.
You know what it tastes? I guess it tastes like cilantro.
So there's a lot of cilantro. I think I made that one, not this one.
What one?
That way, yeah.
This?
Go ahead. More. That's good. Smell like armpit.
I already recorded the can. Cook the rice.
10 minutes. You make it boil. When it starts boiling, you put it in low, like 2. And then you put it in all the way low.
And then 10 minutes?
Huh?
And then 10 minutes, wait?
Yeah.
Or until the water's done?
Until the water is done.
Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any suggestions, questions, definitely comment below. And if you like what we're doing, definitely hit that subscribe button.